Today we're going to talk about finding the lengths of segments of chords. When two chords intersect in the interior of a circle, each chord is divided into two segments, which are called segments of chords. The following theorem gives a relationship between the lengths of the four segments that are formed. If two chords intersect in the interior of a circle, then the product, so product means multiply, of the length of the segments of one chord is equal to the product of the length of the segment of the other two. So here's AE times EB. Okay, so this pink one times this yellow one is equal to the same thing over here. Let's use green. EC, so this one times ED. So we're going to use this theorem to do the following examples. So here we have this circle here, and you have these intersecting chords inside. So what we want to do is we want to solve for x. So we know that 3 times 6, so here's your chord right here. So 3 times 6 is equal to 9 times x, 9x. So then 3 times 6 is 18, equals 9x. So now we divide by 9 on both sides. So x is equal to 2. So then that's how you use the theorem. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2 here. So here's our chord. We're going to say that this is our chord right here. We're going to multiply this length times this length, so 10 times x plus 1 is equal to, then here's my other chord. So I got to multiply this 15 with that x, so that's 15x. And then you just solve this equation by distributing the 10, so that's 10x plus 10 equals 15x. Subtract the 10x on both sides of the equation. So now we're going to have 10 is equal to 5x. So we know that if we divide by 5, x is going to be 2. And so that's your answer for this problem. We're going to apply the same thing for example 3. So then we have this chord right here, 21 times 18. And then we also have this chord over here. So we're going to do 14 times 3 plus 4x is equal to 21 times 18. So then we're going to multiply these using our distributive property. 14 times 3 is 42x, or just 42, sorry. 14 times 3 is 42. 14 times 4x is 56x. And then 21 times 18, you multiply these two, that's 378. So now you're going to subtract the 42 on both sides. And we're going to bring down the 56x equals 378 minus 42 is 336. And now we just divide by 56 on both sides. So those cancel. So x is equal to 6. And that's what you're going to be doing today on the assignment. So go ahead and go do that. Bye-bye.